Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Xiaomi 12T and let me share with you how to change the date and time on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find additional settings. Now let's tap on date and time, which should be on the first position. And as you can see here, we've got some options which are connected with the date and time, but some of them are inactive, which simply means that we cannot manually change the date and time. It is because we've got it set automatically, so they are network based. So first of all, we have to turn off both of those options, and now we can freely tap on date, and here just by swiping you can pick the date you want to use. The same situation with the time, just by swiping and confirm it with OK. As you can see, it will be immediately applied to the status bar. And the time zone, just tap on it, tap on the region here, and you can pick whatever region you want to. Just find it and tap on it, just like that. As you can see, it will be immediately applied, but of course be aware that after changing the time zone, the time will also change according to it. It's quite normal. Here you can decide if you want to use location to set time zone. You can, of course you don't have to, it's up to you. You've got the time format also, which is based on system language, but you can set it manually, so we can decide if you want to use a 12-hour format or 24-hour format. So currently we've got 24-hour format. You can set 12-hour format just by tapping on it. And here you've got the dual clock, so it simply means that you can decide if you want to display the second clock on the home page, just like here. So as you can see, it will show two different places and the time there, so the local one, and for example I've got set the London. So it's up to you. You can activate it right here just by tapping on the switcher. You can pick the second clock and so on. So basically that's all. This is how to customize the date and time manually. Of course you can get back to all previous settings just by tapping on those switchers right here. So actually that's all. This is how to change date and time in your Xiaomi 12T. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.